So for this recipe I am taking a microwave safe bowl. You can also take a cup or mug, and I am adding 3 tablespoons of Maida. Now you have to add a pinch of baking soda and 1/8 spoon of baking powder. Do not add it more or otherwise it will ruin the taste. Now add some mixed Italian herbs or oregano, and now add some salt as per taste. Now mix it well. Add 2 tablespoons of curd and 1 teaspoon of oil. Add some water gradually and mix it well. So this should be the consistency. And now I am keeping it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes, and you can see how spongy is it. Now apply some pizza sauce over it. If you don't have pizza sauce, then you can first apply some ketchup and then some chili sauce. Now you have to spread it evenly. I'm adding some mixed Italian herbs or oregano and some grated cheese. Now add some veggies like onion, capsicum and tomato. You can also add olives. Now add some chili flakes and oregano. And now microwave it for 1 minute. So you can see these microwave bowl pizzas are so quick to make and they taste delicious. Do give this recipe a try and enjoy.